When a rocket lifts off from the launch pad, the engine exhausts fire hot gas into the flame trench. If you were in close proximity to the engines, it wouldn't just rupture your eardrums, it would kill you. To avoid damaging the vehicle or putting the crew in danger, NASA solved this problem by implementing a more effective sound suppression system. This consists of a large water tower at the launch site, which dumps over 1 million pounds of water onto the launch pad in just 40 seconds. Dumping this much water onto the launch pad not only protects the rockets and nearby buildings from intense shock waves, it also stops any fires that might be caused by the rocket's exhaust. To this day, NASA still uses a very similar water deluge system at all of their main launch sites. So, although rocket science deals with some of the most complex engineering challenges, it's interesting to see that some problems can be solved with very simple solutions.